Next, we're going to set up the water to the hut. There's really three basic things. There's, if you remember from the winter, about halfway down there, I'll take you down there. There's a drain that we have to turn off. Drains the water out of the pipe, but you got to do it so it doesn't pump it all the way out. Then over by the cottage, I'll show you a T where you have to turn the water from the main cottage over to here. And then over here, we just start hooking up the garden hoses and the hose to the toilet and bathroom and shower. All right, I'm gonna go close the drain valve and turn on the water. All right. I'm back by the bridge. What a gorgeous spring day. If you come in, and you can see kind of where I'm located at. If you come in here, you will see the little drain pipe I'm talking about. And what we want to make sure of is that it's closed, which it is. Sometimes you come in the spring and it looks like that, but it needs to be closed like that so the water just doesn't get pumped out in this area. So now I'm over by the main cottage down by the basement, and here's the water line coming in. But if you come over about halfway by this rock, you'll see this T. And this T is the water going to the hut. I'm just going to turn it on. Two-person, Jan's on the other side. Okay, Jan, she's going to turn on the garden hose. It's pushing air out right now. You can hear the pump running. Well, you open it so water comes out. That's getting the air out, Jan, and then once you get a steady stream, close it, and I'll see if the pump goes out, which means there shouldn't be any leaks. You getting just steady water? I'm still hearing the pump, Jan. All right. I'm gonna go see if the pump's off, but you don't see any leaks now? Okay, you can start hooking up the garden hose to one pit side, and while I go check the pump. So all I'm doing is making sure the pump's off to make sure there were no leaks. Sometimes you get animals eating through the pipes, or you just get a pipe fitting that's a little loose. I can hear from right now that the pump's off. That's a good sign. So Jan's hooked up the garden hose. You want to make sure there's no leaks. And so, like, ultimately we got to check that because the leaking.
That might not be tight enough.
Yeah, but all is good once we work on the leaks. The leaks will just make the pump go on and off during the day. All right. What we have to do is hook up the this hose to the which will ultimately run the shower and the sink inside, and then we should be all set. Give me a second and we'll get it done, and I'll show you how it lays out.